Hey kiddos, sorry I'm not here today, but I know you're going to do awesome with the sub. So today we're going to go over convection currents, Pangea, some seafloor spreading, and then you will finish your study guide, which you will need for your test, which is next Tuesday, December 14th. So convection currents. We sing in our song, convection currents in the mantle swirl around. Heat goes up and then cool goes down. Why is that? Now that we know more about density and this temperature, pause the video and on part number one, on your notes page, write in that under that why. Why is it that this happens? Alrighty, now that we're back, here's what you should have on your paper. So why? Things that are warm are less dense, so they rise. Things that are cool are more dense, so they sink. As long as you have something talking about warm being less dense, so it rises, and cool being more dense, so it sinks, you are on track. All right, so remember, we talked about conduction, which is the heat transfer through touch, convection, which is the heat transfer through cycles in liquids or gases, and then radiation is heat transfer through waves. We're really focusing on the convection side of things. So on number 2 on your notes page, get ready for this part. Convection is the transfer of heat by the movement of a heated fluid, so it includes liquid or gases. Heat transfer by convection is caused by differences in temperature and density within a fluid. So you're writing the words temperature and density. Yes, we already took these notes. That's fine. I want you to have them again in your notes so you can see how important it is to understand this. So pause the video if you need to. Write temperature and density in your blanks on number 2. All right, convection. So an example, we've talked about water on the stove, but same thing goes for heating the mantle. The bottom gets hot, so that's what you're writing in the blank, and it expands, so it becomes less dense and it rises. And then when the surface water starts cooling down, it becomes more dense and moves to the bottom. So you're just filling in the word more. And this causes convection currents or the flow that transfers